Dear aspirants, reasoning questions are very common in the entrance exams after 12th. They make up 30 to 35% of the banking exams and 25% of the SSC exams, which means it's an important section in not just these exams but in most government exams. Utilize this video and enhance your IQ level. All the best.
Imagine you are in a dark room. How do you get out?
Just stop imagining.
A basket contains 5 apples. Do you know how to divide them among 5 kids so that each one has an apple? And yet, one apple stays in the basket. How?
Four kids get an apple each. The fifth kid gets an apple with the basket.
If you want to have me, you want to share me. But once you share me, I am not me.
A secret.
Why can't a man living in the USA be buried in Canada?
Why should a living man be buried?
A girl who was just learning to drive went down a one way street in the wrong direction. The traffic police didn't find her. How could it happen?
She was just walking at that time.
What is the question for which you can never say yes?
Are you asleep?
Correct the formula with a single stroke. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 550.
After 5, plus is changed into 4 by a stroke.
Draw a rectangle with 3 lines.
Inside a rectangle, draw 3 lines.
Eskimos are very good hunters, but they never hurt penguins. Why not?
Eskimos live in the North Pole. Penguins live in the South Pole.
A farmer had 17 sheep. All but 9 died. How many were left?
The answer is 9. All but 9 died means all except 9 died.
Identify the odd verb. Bring, catch, think, draw, teach, fight.
Think is a mental process rather than a physical action.
Can you name 3 consecutive days without using the words Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday?
Yes, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
A man is lying dead in a field. Next to him is an unopened package. There are no footprints around the body. How did he die?
The man jumped out of an airplane. The parachute didn't open, so he died.
A woman lives on the 30th floor of a building. Whenever she goes up, she gets down at the 20th floor and walks the remaining 10 floors of stairs, even though she hates taking the stairs. Why?
The woman is too short to reach the button for the 30th floor.
A child takes his breakfast at 7 a.m. lunch at 7 a.m., and dinner at 7 a.m. on the same day. How is it possible?
The child is on a long plane ride and traveling westward through different time zones on the same date. If you are happy about this video, like, share and subscribe Waterfalls channel.